Hey, what's going on? What is going on, everybody? Street Trading here. This is our weekly trade watches video for second trading week of August 9th through the 13th. Friday the 13th, actually. It's kind of funny how that day still brings out that emotional fear. But it's interesting. It's funny. Anyway, whatever. That's this week. Let's get into looking at an hourly chart of SPY. So, as you guys know, we actually went into kind of a great detail on our recap video about the previous week's session, the week ahead. So I'm not going to kind of go over the same thing, but it is worth to mention that it finally broke out. SPY finally broke out of a multi-week channel to the upside. Didn't get the follow through that we're expecting, but it broke out nonetheless. So 500. Okay, clearly, we're well below 500, but shit, I mean, at this rate, you know what I mean, we're swallowing 10 points very quickly to the upside, and all these dips can keep getting bought. So keep that in mind. Whatever, we're not saying that's going to happen anytime soon, or it will. Who knows? Who gives a shit? It's just interesting to see this market continue to do what it's been doing. It's been a very, very nice opportunity to take advantage and extract capital to both the upside and to the downside. Just because the market's pushing doesn't mean we're not killing it to the downside too. So anyway, let's get into we had a solid week off both our weekly and our daily trade ideas. We're going into this week's session with 10 on our weekly watch list. We got some usual suspects that are making some moves that we're very excited about because we know them pretty intimately. So we're looking to have a very solid week with those. We got some other continuations as well. Got some things that have been brewing that are looking to rip out. So to both the upside and to the downside. So we're very excited about this week ahead. Again, this is August. August trade usually a little bit slower because obviously it's August. All the big boys are out and about doing their thing. But obviously this isn't a usual August for obvious reasons. Don't need to explain that. So don't think it's going to slow down. Think it's going to continue to just crush the market and enjoy ourselves at the same time. Work hard, play hard, guys. Don't forget that. So you're making your money, maybe dip out, go enjoy the sunshine a little earlier than normal. That's what we're going to do anyway. Let's get into it. Let's get into what we are looking at for this week's session and our game plan for our executions, or if this then that. Remember, like we always talk about off our weekly, we put these up, we have our plan set, we have levels set. If price comes to us, we put on some risk and we get involved. We never chase, ever chase. We could scrap this whole list. Nothing can work out as we had planned. And then now we focus on our dailies. Big deal. But you never know. Could work on Monday, could work on Friday, could work never, right? Wednesday, it doesn't matter. Point is, set it, get ready for it, get involved when you had planned for it to happen. If the market's giving you what you expected, get involved. Otherwise, forget about it, guys. Scrap it. All right, let's get into what we are looking at.